Wow. From yesterday morning to this morning, Luna Classic has absolutely exploded into the threes for the first time since the collapse. It passed into the twos for the first time since the collapse yesterday. And amid the entire market pullback, Terra Classic continues to raise eyebrows, and it's all community driven. It's pretty amazing to see. Now, I want to ask you some questions in this video, also break down kind of what's going on, what we're looking forward to moving forward with Terra Classic. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm here every single day for you, giving you the top cryptocurrency news, what's hot, what's going on. I've got you covered right here on the channel. Make sure you stay locked in with a subscription. I would definitely appreciate it. Now, let's dive into the overall price first. And again, I've got some questions for you here in the back half of the video. I want to see what you're thinking here as a Terra Luna Classic investor, or maybe you're just watching this video because you're trying to get some insight on what's going on, and that's cool too. Terra Classic here is at the 302797 range right now, up 71% in the last 24 hours. However, we are getting a little bit of a pullback right now, and it's to be expected. All right, we did reach all the way up to the 3382 level here at 6:30 this morning, East Coast time, Eastern Standard Time. People are waking up and taking profits. And listen, I think this is obviously something you almost have to do at this point, right? So many people, especially if you got in way back in here in June, right? When we had 4 zeros and a 6, or 4 zeros and a 5 back in here. So then we consolidated for a really long time here. 3 zeros, 1, 3 zeros, 9, 7, even into the 8s briefly. This long consolidation period was boring, but then we have exploded out of it here in the last month. You could see kind of what's happened. Really, the last 7 days tells the big story here for Terra Classic. Is it done moving? Listen, I think all of the ideas people had are out the window now. We've broke through some resistance that we had back in June, and it's driven by retail demand. So it's going to continue to be a topic of discussion. We'll see how far retail money wants to drive this further right now. Now, I want to get into some of the reasons why this is happening. Obviously, we have the 1.2% burn tax implementation coming, relations with other projects, a reward and burn like mechanism. Obviously, a strong community here brewing after the collapse of Terra Luna Classic. Many people are hopping in, trying to revive the project, and we have strong supporters in the crypto sphere as well. Stay together, stay strong. Here's my question to you, and make sure you slap that like button. Let's get this thing up to 500 likes and push this out to a bunch of people so they too see what's going on with Terra Classic. Make sure you hit the like button. Here's my big question, though, for you. Is this a short-term stint for you? Is this a short-term trade for you? Or are you looking at this as a potential long-term option? Or is it strictly, hey, I'm going to put a few $100 in here and just ride it out, see what happens? I know that it's very risky here, and we'll see how it plays out. I want to get your thoughts about that down in the comment section. So let me know down there. How are you looking at Terra Classic? Are you looking at it from a short-term perspective, a long-term perspective, just to complete, hey, this is a lottery ticket. We'll see what's happened. I'm already up a little bit. I took my initial out, and let's ride. I want to hear from you because I'm really interested to see kind of what that temperature looks like among the community right now, because many people are saying, hey, this is a great swing trade, but there's a lot of risk involved here still, and I'm not going all in, right? Like, I'm not holding this for years and years and years until maybe they add some utilities and really find out what they want to do with the revival process. Terra Luna Classic prices skyrocket, so we're starting to see a lot of different people talk about it. Here's CoinGate, good outlet. They are talking about Terra Classic grabbing the spotlight and what's driving it. We talked a little bit about this yesterday. Of course, it's the V22 update, which includes a staking feature, right, to the blockchain, which is seen as highly needed, a highly needed positive catalyst for the Luna Classic to break above the extended consolidation. If internet rumors are to be believed, nearly 69% of the population voted. If the voting is in favor and gets approval, it will give much needed momentum to this project. It is also noted, and perhaps a reason why the price is doing really well right now, that Binance, the largest cryptocurrency centralized exchange, said it would support the network update by temporarily suspending deposits as well as withdrawals until the upgrade was fully completed. This is big because so many people held it there over on Binance, before the collapse and even after the collapse. Now, since this was in line with the desires of the Terra community, this could be one reason behind the rise in the price of the token and also the upbeat mood as well. This week started on a positive note for Terra as its price moved in the northward direction starting on the 29th of August after it unveiled the launch of a new governance alert bot as well. Terra held that the governance alert bot will alert the Terra community about all the governance activities linked to the Terra Luna ecosystem. Following this news, at one point on that day, it jumped as high as 8% with a trading volume over 45%. And then the last few days, it has just skyrocketed. Now, as of now, the top cryptocurrencies for trading Terra Classic include Binance, OKX, Bybit, BingX, and Mexi. Coming to the broader market today, the global cryptocurrency market cap stood at $970 billion. We could see here we are hanging out right there at $977 billion at the time of this recording. Bitcoin just slightly hanging on to that $20,000 number. And we're into September. We shall see what the mood looks like here and the sentiment. But even with the market down, Terra Classic continues to be the top story right now in all of crypto. But again, I want to hear from you down below. Don't forget to hit the like button. How are you looking at this right now? Are you looking at this as a short-term play, a long-term play? Just a quick way to, hey, here's a $300 lottery ticket, we'll see what happens type play. How are you looking at this? I want to get your thoughts down below. By the way, I put a little bit in, not much. I put a little bit in yesterday at about the 1819 level. I'm enjoying it. I haven't pulled my initial out. This is kind of a fun play. I want to be a part of it with the community. You guys wanted me to cover it, and I'm going to continue to dive into it. I'm slowly kind of understanding where this ecosystem could go, okay? I'm a little hesitant still, but I'm here. I'm going to be covering it for you every single day on the channel, and I appreciate you guys stopping by. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Take care. Peace.